सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ग्रेड ड्रीम्स चैनल को और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलिए।
Hello and welcome back to Grad-Dreams YouTube channel. This is Sanjana here and today we are going to talk about the affordable universities in the UK. But before that, if you are someone who is looking for study in the UK, then check out the link in the description box below and clear all of your doubts. So today we are going to talk about Oxford Brookes University. Oxford Brookes University was established in the year 1865. It is a public university in the UK. The university enrolls over 16,900 students from around 140 countries. The university provides 177 undergraduate and 121 postgraduate courses to all of the students. Now let's talk about the rankings. The university rank around 438 as per the QS ranking and 800 as per the World University ranking. Now let's talk about the top bachelor's and master's program. They are as computing, mathematics, management, engineering and many more. Now let's talk about the application fee and the tuition fee. The application fee ranges from 22 to 27 pounds for undergraduate and there is no application fee required for the postgraduate application. When it comes to the tuition fee, it ranges from 50,000 pounds to 18,000 pounds per year. Now let's talk about the scholarship. The university offers various scholarships to all of the international students. For more details, you can check out the link in the description box below. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. The university accepts English proficiency examinations such as IELTS, TOEFL and PT. IELTS score of 6, TOEFL score of 75 and PT score of 60 is good to go. When it comes to the bachelor's requirement, the student need to score 60% and above in their 10th and 12th grade, official transcripts of their higher and secondary school, SET or SCT scores, SOP and LOR. When it comes to the master's requirement, the student need to score 60% and above in their bachelor's degree, official transcripts of their bachelor's degree, LOR, SOP, resume or GMAT or GRE scores if required. Now let's talk about the jobs and salaries. The average base salary of an alumni ranges from 40,000 to 90,000 pounds per year. Last but not the least, let's talk about the accommodation. The university offers on and off campus accommodation to all of the international students. When it comes to the average rent, it ranges from 120 to 215 pounds per week. For more details, you can check out the link in the description box below. So that was it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates from Grad-Dreams.